Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to scrap the data using the Nokogiri gem available in Ruby. I'm going to scrapping the data from the programmable wave. This wave, its link is here, programmablewave.com. It has a bunch of list of APIs and the mashup list. Just a minute, and the it's structure in a good way format. Carefully, okay. Here I'm going to see list of APIs here. List of APIs. Here list of mashup with the mashup name, category, created date, and also to do this is we need to understand how this data is structured, and also here each page has 25 mashup and number of 247 pages, and my Nokogiri script crawls each first copies whole mashup like this, and goes to the next page, goes to the next page like this, and up until 247 page, right? And after doing this, each mass of it's selects the each mashup and copies the speak copies onto here, right? So I will show you how to do it. First we need to know how the list of mashup are organized. Like this, the basic thing you need to know is first like inspect element, and let's so how is here. Okay, this data is views field class and views title class, and the next articles. Okay, and so here views field primary article primary category is a category name, and next one is views field created archive active, right? And the from the next here is where's that? Okay, here these are the list of mashup list, right, up to 25, right? And I'm going here second mashup, third mashup, and likewise, right? So let's check it, and let's go to the next page, right? Okay, and if we run our script with this first page, second page, right, third page, like this, right? So first is automate the page link, next is gather the all information in here, third is go to the individual mashup and copy the summary, mashup summary, and copy this information, right? So I will show you very step by step, right? Okay, here require Nokogiri open, and this one this is needed for the and to automate the page, first page equal to 1 and the last page 247, right? And here okay, let's say okay, yeah, this is the whole file we want to create. So basically I'll show you how to do it. It's step by step. Okay, here I run to the page 1 to page 247. As you can see, the begin, I will need it, but in the meantime I don't need it. Alright, and this is the first wave. So I already show you. Okay, here I already show you this page, right? And this is the same URL, just I'm automating through the I variable here, and each variable I put scrapping and we just forward the information, and here is the table, right? So which is exactly the same here. Goes enters into the okay, I will show you how to go in the users. No, enters users. Come here. Come here's open table, right? This table, and go into this table and into this table class, and there is a massive name, massive description, see a little bit more, and the created date of created somewhere here. Where's that? Yeah, it's a massive title. Yeah, date, created date. I just need this information, right? And inside this, like here, inside the page table, I'm just scrapping the CSS file into the master name variable, because everything is copied into the data variable. Every page source is copied into here, and then only CSS format with the class name and abuse table is copied into the master. After that, I'm directly going to the table tbody and tr tag, tr tag here, with this table and tr tag. Here is massive name, smart maps, it's a name of mashup, right? And then it's a description of the mashup, it's a category of mashup, right? It's a created date mashup, and also here is a reference link, right? It's a link to this mashup. I also need this one, and for the next, in a similar fashion, tier tag, mashup name with the tier and td and tag inside tr, and also with this tr tag we have a new category, a new service category, and data created date. Show you a little bit more. Up to here, is it okay? Yeah, up to here. And then also the next amazing light, next massive name. In the similar way, I'm copying and then using the XPath on a tier tag and automating everything within the views field title. Here is the name, massive name, and views field created. It's a created uh, date and views field primary category. Let's see, what is it? Yeah, here is views field created its date, and here views field article primary category, which has the category name, and also yeah, now we're automating with this one, and we also need to enter copy the each mashup. Alright, so if I run this one, let's run it. Ruby test one dot irb. Okay, scrapping to the page one. Yeah, these are all information. I don't need more. Yeah, I just need. Okay, just go from the first page. Okay, from here, next guide from first page, data created, media category. Next, this is the next, and this similar version. The I'm just copying the showing the three things here, copying these three things and the showing one, two, and three things, right? So and the next thing is I need to go to the master base URL, right? Base URL, and enter into that URL and copy these things, specs of each mashup, right? Just okay. Here, okay. The same things here. I automate the script, and the up to here it's the same thing, and I put the new things here, the base URL, which I need to go into the link of each mashup. These three things I already in the previous I added the base URL, alright, base URL, and printing those information and going to the each mashup. Again, I need to go with this base URL. Again, I open the mashup URL, and with the spec class, which I can show you here in spec element. Okay, how it goes, tab, span here, spec, is it? Sorry. Okay, I can show you in the resource. Just using this specs, right? Yeah, class section spec. Here is spec class. So I'm going into the spec class, copying the related APIs and the API this information, right? I'm copying this information here, and the class field mass of information, which is, and copying the label, each label, and let's run it. How it goes. Review paste. Okay, page one. With this page one, okay, just now here up to here with this first, this one, and massive name, the created date, media category, and this is the massive URL, right? And then here the related APIs is a specification, it speak of the mashup, and these are the things, right? So these are okay. And the next mashup, this is a next mashup, is information collected. Second information. Mashup second. This one is mashup second. Information collected. How I put it. here. Where I put it is scrapping the page data. Okay, here I put massive and then enter a massive 2 and then this one, right? So the next thing is I need to it will automate the all pages and collect the all information, right? So next thing I just need to copy those files into the those information into the file. Okay, here it comes, right? Yeah, here the with the same things instead of puts I put the open the file with each page because I want to show how it goes, right? I want to show each page, right? And here um, it's just simple. I just put the instead of puts I copied into the wrote into the file with the file name of uh, file name of each page number because I have 247 pages. I need to see each page. Later I can merge manually or just write the page number at a simple page because I don't need to make each. So let's run it. Ruby test one IRB. Okay, right? Okay, a massive one information collected, massive two information collected, massive two information collected, massive four. Okay, let's see how it goes. Duplicate the session. Let's duplicate my session. Paste my password. Right, ls. Okay, here is page one. It's created. Let's open the page one. Page one. More information here. Okay. Okay, I think until the next page it comes. Let's check. Is it finished? Now just 17 massive information is collected. 18 after because every page 25 massive are there listed. So just wait until 25. Now it comes. Okay, it says first page is finished, right? It's starting second page. Okay. You see, second page is just come up. So let's see ls and we are page one. Oh yeah, here it comes. Everything is collected, right? In the similar fashion. Oh yeah, this one is first mass of information. This one is second mass of information, and the third mass of information first. Likewise, and so now up to here in the page one. All right. So let's wait. Now wait. Next page. Sorry, sorry. Let's only two page are come up. Only two page. Let's check page two. Is it? Okay, nothing is written. Okay, now attention is the ability is coming, right? Oops. Okay, page three come. Right, so okay, right. So everything is come up, right? Are they same? No, because in the first page there was a next chain file, right? Next chain mess up. and the second date it's a different things, right? So I hope this will solve my problem, and thank you very much for watching this video. I will come with the next session to see you again. Thank you very much.